equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your ASUS VivoBook F1504Z. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the panel, you may notice some clips holding it in place. Gently release these clips to fully detach the panel. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Be careful not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connector. After disconnecting the cable, you will find screws securing the battery in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are out, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the battery in place, and reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Make sure the connection is firm to avoid any power issues. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can always reach out for assistance if needed. Once all screws are in place, flip your laptop back over and power it on again to ensure everything is working as expected. Finally, if you prefer to have a professional diagnosis without obligation, don't hesitate to contact us. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop's maintenance and care. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.